Hello everyone, you might be missing your teachers like I do. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make an audio player using an SD card module. So sir, basically we hostelites are facing a lot of issues. Tell me what we're supposed to do if no one's helping us.
First pay these bar, then let in all late rules.
Okay. So sir, UGC told that we can pay at a pace that's acceptable for both the students and the university. What do you have to say about that? Sir?
Please join next semester just in case you don't pay your fees on right time. You can continue next year directly and you can pay from whatever you can do. Each month will go your time.
But sir,
Pay
ma'am, the next question is directed to you. I just wanted to say that I'm not being rude.
You is a me.
Okay. So recently we haven't been feeling any motivation to do things. Obviously you would have felt the same things. What I want to ask is, what do we do about it?
Don't do math, man. Do math.